Space is full of wonders. Planets, stars, and galaxies fill the vast cosmic ocean. But there are also strange objects out there called black holes. Imagine a giant vacuum cleaner in space. It's so powerful that it sucks up everything around it, even light. That's kind of what a black hole is like. It has so much gravity packed into a tiny space that nothing can escape its pull. Not even the fastest thing in the universe, light. Black holes are mysterious and fascinating. They teach us about the extreme limits of gravity and the nature of space and time. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is shaped like a giant spiral. And guess what? Right in the middle of it, there's a supermassive black hole. Astronomers call it Sagittarius A asterisk. Say it like Sagittarius A star. It's like the central anchor of our galaxy, holding everything together. Just like the sun keeps our planets in orbit, Sagittarius A asterisk keeps the stars in our galaxy moving in a predictable way. Black holes are invisible because they don't let light escape. So how did we find Sagittarius A asterisk? Astronomers are clever. They noticed that stars near the center of our galaxy were moving really fast, as if they were orbiting something massive but unseen. By carefully tracking the movements of these stars, astronomers were able to calculate the mass of the invisible object. It was so massive that it could only be a supermassive black hole. This discovery was a major breakthrough in astronomy, and it earned the scientists who made it the Nobel Prize in Physics. Sagittarius A asterisk has a powerful influence on its surroundings. Its immense gravity creates intense tidal forces that can stretch and squeeze objects like cosmic Play-Doh. Anything that gets too close to the black hole's event horizon, the point of no return, gets pulled in and disappears forever. But don't worry, Earth is a safe distance away from Sagittarius A asterisk. It won't swallow us up. Section 5. A galactic waltz stars orbiting the unseen partner. Even though we can't see Sagittarius A asterisk directly, we can observe its effects on nearby stars. Some stars are locked in a dangerous dance with the black hole, orbiting it at incredibly high speeds. Imagine stars whipping around a giant invisible cosmic dancer. That's what's happening at the center of our galaxy. By studying the orbits of these stars, astronomers can learn more about the properties of the black hole, such as its mass and spin. Section 6. Order from chaos. The black hole as a galactic architect. While black holes are often portrayed as destructive forces, they also play a vital role in the evolution of galaxies. Sagittarius A asterisk, for example, helps to regulate star formation in the Milky Way. Its powerful gravity can trigger the collapse of gas clouds, leading to the birth of new stars. So even though black holes are mysterious and extreme objects, they are an integral part of the cosmic tapestry. Section 7. A mysterious future. What happens next? What does the future hold for Sagittarius A asterisk and our galaxy? As the universe continues to evolve, the black hole will continue to grow by consuming gas and dust that falls into its gravitational grasp. Over billions of years, it might even merge with other black holes, creating even larger and more massive objects. These events would release tremendous amounts of energy, but they would happen on such vast timescales that they wouldn't pose a threat to life on Earth. Section 8. Will we get sucked in? Don't worry, Earth is perfectly safe from being sucked into Sagittarius A asterisk. It's located about 26,000 light-years away from us, which is a very long distance. To put that into perspective, if Sagittarius A asterisk were the size of a basketball, Earth would be a tiny grain of sand orbiting it from a distance of about 1,000 miles. So there's no need to worry about being pulled into a black hole anytime soon. Section 9. Keep looking up. The universe is full of surprises. Black holes are just one of the many mysteries that the universe holds. By studying them and other celestial objects, we can deepen our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that there are invisible giants lurking out there, shaping the universe in ways we are only beginning to comprehend. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, and never stop being curious about the universe around us.